as part of the Tyndall Center research that we are doing is we're looking at the role of non-nation state actors. And that means all kinds of actors other than national governments that are doing something on climate change. And we oftentimes think that it's only national governments that act on climate change, or whose responsibility it is to do something on climate change. We forget that there are all these other actors that are already doing something on climate change. So in our research, we're looking at these kinds of actors, and we're trying to understand why they are acting on climate change, but also how they're acting on climate change. So these are the two questions that we are posing. In addition, we're trying to understand what it adds up to. So how much greenhouse gases these actors are actually taking out of the atmosphere for us, but also we want to understand what implications there are for these actions on governance, so to say. So what we do is we look at a number of different actors, such as cities, companies, and offset organizations. So I'll start and talk a little bit about cities. So we know already that cities are playing an important role, not only because they are significant in an environmental sense, that we can see that a lot of emissions are actually sourced in cities, because there's a lot of industrial, or there's a lot of human activity, economic activity in cities. But also there are a lot of very large cities. So if we target cities, we can actually look at what is going on for a lot of people.